Welcome to another episode of the ChandeliersLife brand. In today's video, we're diving into innovative low-budget modern 3-bedroom house design ideas for every family. Whether you're planning to build a new home, renovate your existing one, or just love browsing stylish interiors, this episode is packed with smart, affordable, and modern design inspirations that prove you don't need a huge budget to live beautifully. We'll explore functional and stylish 3-bedroom layouts perfect for growing families. Space-saving ideas for compact plots. Budget-friendly materials that still deliver a premium look. Innovative lighting and decor ideas to enhance your home. Tips on blending aesthetics with practicality. These house plans focus on comfort, light, and modern architecture, perfect for first-time homeowners, young families, or anyone looking to build their dream home without overspending. Electric light bulb. Why 3-bedroom homes? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the ChandeliersLife community for more stunning design ideas, lighting inspiration, and affordable home decor tips. Read the full blog post with detailed plans, measurements, and design breakdowns via the link below. Get inspired and bring your dream home to life without breaking the bank.